Let's try to see how we can convert list to a string in Python. Okay, so now what we'll do is like we'll just restart the kernel. Okay, so now we'll try to define the list. List is equal to, we'll give some random number or the words. So what I will do is like I will just take some words. Python is comma Python is most demanding programming Python is most demanding programming language for data science. Okay, so now we have defined the list, and now we'll try to check the type of this list. Just take it as list underscore example. Okay, try to run this. Now let's try to run this. So here you can see the list. Okay, so now let's try to convert to a string. Convert to string. Okay, string str of list example. Okay, so now we'll try to see now you can see this has been converted to a string. Okay, suppose if you want to check the type of that convert to a string means, so here you can see this has been converted to a string. Okay, so this is how you can convert list to a string in Python program. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for more.